In this video I want to show you that salt that you buy iodized. Beside iodine, it also has calcium gluconate and anti-caking agent. And the salt is easy to pour from the jar, you see, because it has some kind of chemicals in it. It's not pure salt, and before it enriched with that stuff, it also depleted of all good minerals. So why not to switch to salt that has lots of trace minerals, and maybe you don't need to take supplements sometimes. I got Himalayan salt, Celtic Sea Salt, and instead of buying pepper already crushed, I have peppercorns. Use them for a long time with this brand of grinder, and you can choose how coarse or how fine you want it. So this is fine, and this is coarse. Never broken, never out of batteries, because it's manual. Huge opening to refill it. Unfortunately, salt like this get clogged in your salt shakers. This one is too big to consume, too large. So I got another one for salt, and I tried electric ones, they all fail. So this is salt grinder. This is my new way of using salt, and I'm gonna throw away this for show. By the way, it said iodized, and sea salt next shelf is gonna say danger, danger, sea salt doesn't have iodine. So buy the iodized one. That's useless. I'm not sure, maybe it's essential, but if you eat fish, I think you'll get iodine from there. So this is my tested, and this is my new salt shaker. Unfortunately, it doesn't tell me what kind of salt it's in here. Probably unrefined sea salt. Let's see. It shows the smallest finer grade. A lot of salt. This is big, yeah, larger. So works pretty fine, gives a lot of salt. Why deplete yourself of nutrients and micronutrients and minerals if you can have this? Link in description of what I got.